Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Eyadplayz. Today we're going to be I'm going to make a tutorial of, oh my god, my mouse. I'll be right back. Today we are going to learn how to edit a YouTube video. As you can see, well, how's my wallpaper? Well, that doesn't do anything. So, just if this is a Filmora Wondershare Filmora tutorial, like version 9. As you saw from thumbnail, not thumbnail, I mean title. You should just open it. Open it from the start. If you have it in start, then open it from the start. If you have it in the taskbar, open it from taskbar. And as you wait, let's wait till it loads. Well, at least it loaded, right? So you just click new project over here. Okay. And so to start off, this thing will be in media, okay, as always. And then you can see, press this button and then import any video that you want to edit. Okay. After that, drag it over here in this area, and let's see. Well, it works. As you can see, this is my old YouTube video that I uploaded last time, my building showcasing. Well, after that, if you want to add any opening to the video, press titles. Oh no, what now? Are you kidding me? Okay, that's better. Now it works. Now you should just press open as. After that, choose any title you want. I will choose this. Oh no, now what? Oh, that's better. Oh no, my mouse again. Oh, fixed it and it works. It's animated. Okay. So remember, this app is Filmora9. Okay. After, if you want to add some music to the title, to the opener, press audio. Oh no. Okay, never mind. And put any music you want. As well, I'm choosing this. This is my old YouTube video and see, hear it. It's my old video YouTube and audio. After that, after putting that, if you want to make it the size of the opener, all you have to do is move this over here. You'll see some kind of line over some line over here. You should drag it. But I don't know why it's not coming for me. So you should drag it like that, okay? And then you should that's how you drag, okay? You should go until you see the end of the music over here. Now you can reduce the size. This will take forever. Still, that's better. Now it'll work and it'll snap over here. Okay. If you want to add any text in the video, go to titles and press included. Titles here. Okay. If you want, these are all the designs in the titles. I normally use this one for my videos. And if you should to add a text, double click on the text. Now put any text you want. Okay. After that, if you want to add a text that doesn't show, I'm going to show you. like wait a minute, okay. It's right, it will say somewhere, okay, it will normally over here it says high on wall print, okay, like that. If you want to put any text, drag it over here on top and then bring your cursor over here and then after that put a text you want, okay. Then you're done. I don't know, let me just put it in an appropriate place like that and put any text you want, okay. Now if you want to add a professional end screen, this will take a lot of time. Well, I'll show you that in the next video. Well, this part 1, I'll show you that in the next video. Well, thanks for watching, guys. There's one more thing I need to show you, okay. If you want to if you finish the video, you should press export, okay. After that, name the video anything you want, okay. And then if you want to choose where it need to save to, then click this button, okay. If you want to change the resolution, press this. You can change everything you can over here. And after that, you can press OK. Okay. If you finish all of those, then click export. Okay. And then you should wait till it finish exports. Okay. After that, there'll be a button over here when you finish exports that, and it will say like find target. If you click that, you know where the file is. Okay. Well, that's the end of the video. If you want if you want to get more videos from me, then like share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and bye.